So here we are back, VIP, Live Like a VIP fans, if Zoe's hosting this video. They're setting it up for tomorrow, the Canary Wharf. So here are the latest Jaguars. So you can rent them, hire them, so you don't need the money. Just need a few thousand to drive around this for a month. Here's a bigger Jaguar, like a Range Rover. BMWs. There's the new sports Jaguar. I'll zoom in on it for you. Live like a VIP and die in the motorway pilot. So I'm off to Peter Jones to have a cup of coffee. By joining their store club, you get a free cup of coffee every time you go to shop there. It's a very expensive and dangerous way of getting around. Very expensive. The depreciation is probably hundreds of pounds a week. But the machines have got into our heads, thinking that if we own machines, we must be better human beings. Look, I own a Grand Coupe. So you want to live like a VIP, not be a VIP, and waste your money. Invest your money, compounding interest. 7% doubles every 10 years, so the bank's money starts doubling then, from then on, doubling every 7 years. 10% interest, and you're doubling every 7 years. But gold is $1,300 an ounce. Within 5 years it will have doubled twice to 5,000 or more. You know, paper currencies crash. But live like a VIP while you can, while we still have some oil that we can afford. We reached peak oil, it's passed, so that's why there's no increase in our domestic product, because the oil costs take away the profit. So there's no investment going on. So we're not going to get richer anymore, the majority of us, unless we buy some land, subdivide it, so the roads are at the back of each garden, each house, so that they're just little roads at the back of the homes, and the main way to get around is in the front of the houses like we have now. But cars can only go 3 miles an hour, and it's paved over for pedestrians and cyclists and parties and barbecue areas, shaded areas, pools, fountains, exhibitions, all the cultural things we can have in front of our own homes. If to get rid of the motor car from taking over. So they've stolen our roads and our streets. But it's our fault for not having a secondary road behind our homes that is just for cars. So I'm going to do that and start up some permaculture settlements in Australia, because my freeholder has committed blackmail, and I'm sure they don't all want to go to prison for 14 years. So I'll be expecting about 10 million to forget about locking them up. Bye all.